How to play YouTube videos in VLC Media Player. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your YouTube application and then simply copy the link of the video that you want to play in your VLC Media Player. Simply go to share and then copy the link. After that, launch VLC Media Player. Now go to Media, then go to Open File. After that, you will get an option of Network. Go to Open Network Stream and then simply enter your URL link and then press Enter. Now your YouTube video will be opened here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.